YouTubers! Mike Martins here with the Mike Martins channel. Construction companies in New South Wales collapsing at record rate as buildings slowdown bites. Whatever happened to these explosive sales, spring sales on the horizon? People are buying, people are bidding. Sydney, Melbourne, everything's blowing up in price. People are returning. Price corrections here. Angulo. Anyways, look at this. I already covered this a few months back. Partially completed site. Yeah, we covered this, remember, guys? But now new figures are showing that the housing slowdown is biting New South Wales hard, with the number of construction companies going under the last quarter hitting its last level in almost 4 years. The statistics provided in the ASIC show 169 New South Wales-based construction companies went into administration receivership, a court-ordered shutdown in the June quarter, the highest number since the September quarter in 2015. Over the whole 2018-2019 financial year, 556 construction companies went under, 101 more than the previous financial year. Yeah, come on in and buy us out. Australia's open, so is Canada, the UK, and Western United States. Come and buy us out. We are here. Come and buy what we got. And if you buy our locals out, that's okay. They'll just move to another town and remigrate to Hobart or something. Experts say that it is a reflection of the state's slowing. Sorry guys, someone's bugging me here. State's slowing apartment and housing market, with about 50,000 less apartments being constructed compared to the same time 2 years ago, and the marked slowdown in housing construction. An increasing number of half-finished apartment projects are doing the Sydney landscape, with property development giant Rilland Group, which collapsed in July, owing $500 million to creditors. The most high-profitable example, it should say. Association with Independent Insolvencies Practitioner President Stephen Hathaway said, "There is no doubt the industry was stressed." Mr. Hathaway also runs his own liquidation firm, said small construction companies had been hit the hardest. These days, it's subcontractors or subcontractors on subcontractors, he said. And the general feel I'm getting from talking to my fellow liquidators is that the building industry subbies just slowed down paying the little ones, construction companies. It's a spiral. It's a bit of a scurry. And at the end, make sure you got paid before it all falls over. Oh yeah, tons of companies not getting, concrete guys not getting paid, framing guys not getting paid, roofing guys not getting paid. Nobody's getting paid, I say. And see what's happening? Let's continue. While the SIC declined to comment on the building data, it is said that most common recession companies went into administration was for inadequate cash flow or poor financial control. Experts have also pointed to the trends of Phoenix activity in New South Wales, where a new company is created to continue the business of a company deliberately liquidated to avoid paying its debts, taxes, or creditors. The New South Wales government said it worked with various agencies to combat phoenixing behavior and was committed to strengthening the building sector through a number of reforms. Despite making up about 6% of New South Wales gross domestic products, the state's construction industry is overrepresented in the number of failed businesses, making 20.6% of all companies calling in the administrators over the 2018-2019 fiscal year. Woo! Oversupply on the markets. Oversupply in Sydney, Melbourne, Auckland, Christchurch, London, Dublin, Toronto, GTA, Greater Toronto Area. Vancouver's got a mass oversupply. Los Angeles has a mass oversupply. Portland, Oregon has a mass oversupply. Seattle, Washington has a mass oversupply, I say. And look what's happening. the Australian proper, the Canadian proper have all been bought out in their markets. Why? Because no one's got a 200% increase in the last 40 years to actually hedge or go with the cost of living. Inflation's been taken off, and we've been working harder. Productivity's gone up. Human labor's gone up. Everything's gone up. Except our pays. And where does that leave us? That just leaves us basically getting the short end of the stick. It's musical chairs. Those who got in at the right time were laughing and played the ATM machine with their house and took lavish vacations using their homes, thinking that their prices of homes will keep going up. And now it's coming back. And now the black swan is swooping in. And what does that tell us, people? That tells us it's coming to an end. With construction companies, oh, this lucrative business. Oh, this is a opportunity of a lifetime in Sydney. Buy this one-bedroom apartment. $1 million with no parking. Woo! Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Or the $600,000 garage in Toronto. $600,000 garage, 400 square feet. Woo! Or that $5.5 million bungalow, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath in Vancouver. $5.5 million. Woo! Let me know, comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to support me on Patreon.